We'll guide you through how to find Printify alternatives. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in print-on-demand services or Printify alternatives and hit enter. You'll see a list of articles and websites offering comparisons and reviews of different platforms. Click on one of these articles for detailed insights. Some popular alternatives to Printify that often come up include Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble. Each of these platforms offers distinct features and pricing structures. For instance, Printful is renowned for its wide range of products and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy. Teespring is great if you're looking to market to a social media audience, as it has direct integrations with YouTube and Twitch. Redbubble, on the other hand, is ideal for artists and designers seeking a marketplace to showcase their work. After identifying some potential alternatives, visit their official websites to get a feel of what they offer. Check out their product catalog, pricing, and integration options. Most of these services have a FAQ or help section where you can find more detailed information about their offerings. Additionally, you might want to read user reviews or join forums like Reddit to see what others are saying about these services. This can give you a real-world perspective on customer satisfaction and potential drawbacks. Remember, the right platform for you will depend on your specific needs, such as the types of products you want to sell, your target audience, and your budget. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.